Welcome to our video about smart operations management systems and the intelligent agent technology used by these systems. Smart operations management systems are the next-generation evolution in industrial information technology, after enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems. Today, manufacturers and industrial distributors in the USA make use of ERP systems, but find that their people still need to resort to extensive use of paper forms, manual keyboard data entry in duplicate systems, and other first-generation activities to overcome the limitations of their ERP systems. Third-generation smart operations management systems make extensive use of a variety of artificial intelligence methods, and especially intelligent agents, to augment existing ERP systems and perform much of this intelligent grunt work by automating much of the routine decision-making and the resultant actions. First, some background. Most of the 60,000 or so mid-sized manufacturing plants in the USA make extensive use of automated numerically controlled machinery, where possible, to rapidly produce a wide variety of products with only a small number of people. But where this is not possible, manufacturers in the USA source components from low-wage countries, such as Mexico and Vietnam, and only do final assembly, packaging, labeling, and distribution in the USA, which requires only a small amount of highly paid labor. As a result, the number of people directly involved in making products in the USA continue to shrink, while the manufacturing output continues to increase. Note that this is not likely to change despite draconian import tariffs into the USA, as it is still much cheaper to import lower-cost components from around the world and do final assembly here in the USA than it is to have vertically integrated production in the USA or to import finished products from countries like China. The only difference is that the products end up costing more in the USA. Also, finished goods production for export will be shifted to countries such as Mexico and Canada, thereby further reducing the number of people employed in non-supervisory roles in manufacturing in the USA. But, while the number of people working on the shop floor and in the warehouse continue to shrink, the number of people in the front offices of manufacturing plants continues to increase. The reason for this is a shift from make-to-stock to make-to-order manufacturing, customer requirements for quick delivery of a wide variety of semi-custom products, and ever-increasing government regulations. While managers have titles such as operations manager, production manager, and materials manager, they actually spend much of their time on intelligent grunt work tasks, such as processing paperwork, reading reports about what went wrong yesterday, analyzing data using Excel spreadsheets, and entering duplicate data into multiple different systems. To assist them in these intelligent grunt work tasks, managers often have a small army of staff assistants, which often leads to the need for endless coordination meetings, as well as more paperwork, reports to read, and people to supervise. The purpose of smart operations management systems is to automate many of these intelligent grunt work tasks, thereby making the jobs of managers and their necessary staff members a lot easier by making sure that they have the information they need when they need it, in a format that is most useful to efficiently do their jobs. Also, where the decision-making is straightforward, many of the routine management processes can be automated. Let us now look at how intelligent agents can be used to perform much of this intelligent grunt work. Intelligent agents are computer programs that run 24/7 to monitor sources of data in multiple systems for new data or changes to existing data. Agents then intelligently interpret this data and use the resultant information to update other systems and to send email alerts to managers when there are events that they need to pay attention to. These intelligent agents can be used to handle much of the routine intelligent grunt work for each plant, thereby making managers and their staff much more efficient with their time and happier in the jobs. In those situations where some of the administrative functions are centralized, to spread the overhead management and staff cost over multiple plants and warehouses, intelligent agents can handle much of the burden of communications to make sure each person has the information they need to efficiently do their jobs. Often a combination of these two methods is used, with people directly managing manufacturing plant and warehouse operations located at each site, and other functions, such as senior management, sales, marketing, and human resources, centrally located. When management functions occur in many locations, intelligent agents can make sure that information flow is integrated across the whole enterprise and that information does not get siloed in single locations. Let us now take a look at an example of a technology, such as SmartOps24x7, which can be used to implement smart operations management systems at an affordable cost. In order to provide real-time operations management decision support, we need to capture operational data in real time, interpret it, and then share this information with other systems. We also need to use information from other systems as part of the operations management process. Software platforms, such as SmartOps24x7, are used to quickly implement these smart operations management solutions at an affordable cost. SmartOps24x7 consists of three major components. 1. A SmartOps24x7 real-time intelligent agent platform for implementing information exchange with ERP and other systems, as well as with one or more WIPtracker systems. This includes a SmartOps management database, which is the central repository for operations tracking and management orders for the enterprise. SmartOps24x7 typically runs on a Windows Server computer in the cloud or located in an organization's data center. 2. One or more WIPtracker real-time data collection and operations tracking systems in each plant or warehouse, including capabilities for barcode label printing, interfacing to weighing scales, RFID portals, and process control equipment. These typically run on small Windows ruggedized IoT computers in each manufacturing plant or warehouse. 3rd, data collection versions of WIPtracker running on ruggedized laptops and similar computers, which can collect data in field locations, such as construction sites, where there is no internet connection available. The local data collection database is then automatically synced with the SmartOps database whenever there is an internet connection available. By having operational data capture performed locally to each manufacturing plant and warehouse, this enables operations to continue even when the internet goes down, with automatic syncing when the internet connection to SmartOps 24/7 becomes available. This combination of cloud-based decision support and local data collection systems can be used by systems integrators to quickly implement reliable smart operations management (SOM) solutions. This is because a system like SmartOps 24/7 typically provides over 90% of most applications pre-built, with the remainder provided by intelligent agents coded in Python by business analysts and manufacturing engineers. Let us finally take a look at a typical smart operations management application. In such an application, SmartOps 24/7 agents process the flow of incoming customer orders into purchase, work, manufacturing, picking, packing, and shipping orders, which are then stored in a smart operations management SmartOps database in the SmartOps 24/7 server. Yet other intelligent agents automatically exchange orders with one or more WIPtracker operations tracking systems, as well as with ERP, engineering design and supply chain systems, as required. The WIPtracker operations data collection and operations tracking systems then use these orders to direct and track the receipt, put away, transformation, picking, packing, and shipping events on factory floors and in warehouses. As these orders are acted upon, the resultant data is stored in each WIPtracker operations tracking database. SmartOps 24/7 intelligent agents then collect this data and place it into the SmartOps database, from which it can be dispersed to other systems by yet more intelligent agents. In summary, real-time smart operations tracking and management systems enable manufacturing plants and distribution warehouses to operate more efficiently with fewer people, whether they are located at a single site or at many plants or warehouses in many different geographic locations. Smart operations management systems do this by 1. Eliminating the use of paper forms, Excel spreadsheets, and manual keyboard data entry to collect the needed operational data, thereby saving much time and preventing mistakes. 2. Eliminate intelligent grunt work by automatically analyzing data from many sources and relaying the resultant information to people and systems that need the information. 3. Automating planning and scheduling and other routine tasks in real time to ensure that customer orders get delivered on time. Unlike regenerative AI system, real-time intelligent agent like SmartOps24x7 quickly pay for themselves in reduced labor cost and mistake prevention, as well as improved operational efficiency without needing the use of huge, expensive supercomputers located at a data center in the cloud over an unreliable internet. Initially, systems such as SmartOps24x7 will be used to extend the capability of ERP systems, but will eventually increasingly take over all operations management functions from ERP systems. Thank you for watching our video. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons if you would like to see more videos like this. This video was produced by and is copyright 2025 of Smart Operations Management LLC, which is solely responsible for its contents. Thank you for watching our video. We hope it was helpful. For more information, please see www.smartopsmanagement.com. Thank you.